Hey friends, we just got back from Sam's Club. Let me show you what we got this week. Okay, we got a lot of stuff this week, but we're hosting my sister's baby shower, so a lot of this stuff is for that. So let's start on one side. We have some Cara oranges, one bag. One bag of yellow, or these like golden potatoes. Some broccoli florets. Some LaCroix water. Hubby picked these out. They are some kind of pastry snack something. I think he takes those for his lunches. And then we also got 2 cases of water, some pre-made crescent rolls, some olive oil non-stick cooking spray, these smoothie drinks, fruit smoothies. They come in 4 flavors. Some red table grapes. They're yummy. And these were really good this week, these organic blueberries. We got some lemonade. I was going to get pink lemonade, but they didn't have any. Some eggs, some ranch style beans. Hubby has been talking about these for weeks, so we picked some up. We got some Julio's chips. Those are like the best tortilla chips. They're thin and lightly seasoned. And then he likes to get these Sargento snacks. There's another kind there, but I think they have Triscuits, and he's not a fan of that, but he likes to get these ones. And these, I think, are new ones that have like the sweets. Yeah, the chips and the Teddy Grahams. He likes those in his lunches and snacks. 1 bunch of bananas. Of course, my kombucha. Some mixed nuts. Hubby's work salads. Some hummus. And I believe that is it. That's our haul. Y'all have a great week. Bye.